All right, this is your Shirley Grammar Chapter 10, Lesson 4 for today. Okay, I want you to start out with completing your 3 practice sentences. So what I want you to do is pause this video right now, classify these 3 sentences, and then I want you to come back and check these sentences. So go ahead and pause this video now and classify these sentences. All right, so let's look at these 3 sentences that you've classified. At any time, if you need to pause this video to change your answers, you may do so. In fact, I would like you to do that to make sure that you have the correct answers so that you can go back and use this as a help if you need to. All right, so let's start with sentence number 1. The old man sipped his coffee early in the morning. Who sipped his coffee early in the morning? Man, subject, noun. What is being said about man? Man sipped, verb. Man sipped what? Coffee. Verify the noun. Does coffee mean the same thing as man? No. So coffee is a direct object. So you're going to go back to sipped and change it to a transitive verb. All right. Whose coffee? His, possessive pronoun, adjective. Sipped when? Early, adjective. In, preposition. In what? Morning, object of the preposition. The, article, adjective. What kind of man? Old, adjective. The, article, adjective. Subject, noun, transitive verb, direct object, pattern 2. Skill check. Verb transitive. Check again. Make sure you have this marked as a transitive verb. In the morning, prepositional phrase. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is this sentence in a natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. All right, let's look at sentence number 2. My father waited for my sister and brother in Larry's driveway. Who waited for my sister and brother in Larry's driveway? Father, subject, noun. What is being said about father? Father waited, verb. For, preposition. For whom? Sister and brother. Compound object of the preposition. Compound object of the preposition. And conjunction. Whose sister and brother? My, possessive pronoun, adjective. In, preposition. In what? Driveway. Object of the preposition. Whose driveway? Larry's. Possessive noun, adjective. Whose father? My. PPA. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Skill check. For my sister and brother, prepositional phrase. In Larry's driveway, prepositional phrase. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is this sentence in a natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Let's look at your last sentence for today. Today, I heard an exciting story about whales. Who heard an exciting story about whales? I, subject, pronoun. What is being said about I? I heard, verb. I heard what? Story. Verify the noun. Does story mean the same thing as I? No. So story is your direct object. So you need to go back to heard and change it to a transitive verb. All right, what kind of story? Exciting, adjective. And, article, adjective. About, preposition. About what? Whales, object of the preposition. Heard when? Today, adverb. Subject, noun, transitive verb, direct object, pattern 2. Skill check. Verb transitive. Make sure you go back and change this to a transitive verb. Okay? All right, about whales, prepositional phrase, period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is this sentence in a natural or inverted order? Inverted. Underline the subject parts once and the predicate parts twice. Because it has an adverb that describes the verb, it's in an inverted order. Okay? Make sure today is underlined twice because it is part of your predicate. All right, let's go back and let's do a noun check. Remember, the only things that can be A noun in your sentences could be your subject noun, could be your object of the preposition, and now your direct object. So those are the only three things. All right, so man, is it a noun? Yes, it is a noun. Coffee, is it a noun? Yes, it is a noun. Morning, is it a noun? Yes, it is a noun. Father, is it a noun? Yes, it is a noun. Sister and brother, sister, brother, not and, sister, brother. Are they nouns? Yes, they are nouns. Driveway, is it a noun? Yes, it is a noun. I, is it a noun? No, it is a subject pronoun, so you will not list it. Okay? Whales, is it a noun? Yes, it is a noun. And story, is it a noun? Yes, it is a noun. Those are your practice sentences for today. You do not need to turn those in. However, you should make sure that they are all correct since we have gone over the answers.